Imagine overseeing $1 billion in global assets, yet waking up on a Tuesday morning unable to answer a basic question: how much actual cash can we deploy right now? This is liquidity blindness. It occurs when an organization's total portfolio appears healthy on paper, but the specific volume of liquid, spendable cash is buried under layers of reporting. When you cannot locate your cash, you cannot move it. In private markets, missing a 48-hour window to fund an urgent capital call means forfeiting a high-stakes investment opportunity to another firm. The effective management of extreme wealth relies on the specific infrastructure that maintains constant visibility over exactly where that money is at any given second. Look at the typical footprint of a modern family office. They are balancing a massive spread of liquid equities, illiquid private equity interests, and diverse real estate holdings. This diversity forces internal teams to harvest data from a chaotic mix of disconnected sources, everything from bank portals and PDF statements to direct emails from asset managers. Every month, staff spend dozens of hours manually downloading these statements and cross-referencing thousands of rows of data into fragile, complex spreadsheets. This creates a significant operational delay. If a principal asks for a precise cash position across all accounts, formulating an accurate answer often takes days of manual work. By the time that data is fully reconciled and formatted by the team, the information is already stale. A system built on manual data consolidation forces decision-makers to act on historical records rather than the present state of the market. Standard accounting tools and general-purpose spreadsheets were designed for simple corporate hierarchies. They were never built to handle the sprawling reality of a private family office. These organizations operate through massive multi-entity structures, a complex web of trusts, SPVs, and partnerships. Tracking capital calls across these entities in Excel leads to consistent error. Without a unified ledger, you easily confuse total bank balances with working capital, ignoring millions already earmarked. Scaling family wealth requires a purpose-built data architecture that integrates every entity into a single, cohesive reporting environment. Praevu is that architecture. It is an operating system specifically re-engineered to handle multi-entity scale. The platform functions by establishing direct, automated data feeds from every custodian and bank in the network. Bypassing manual entry removes the single largest source of operational errors in the family office. The system then uses automated validation to standardize disparate bank data into a single, consistent language. This continuous flow and validation creates a live, single source of truth that updates as transactions occur. By automating the ingestion and validation of data, information shifts from an operational burden into a strategic asset that supports growth. This shift moves the office away from an avalanche of physical documents and toward a consolidated digital dashboard. It effectively ends the cycle of spending 40 hours every month just to reconcile the books. The platform provides absolute liquidity visibility by automatically isolating spendable working capital from reserved funds across every entity. With this clarity, the office can actively optimize idle cash, putting it to work rather than maintaining unnecessarily large defensive buffers. Reporting moves from documenting history to forecasting future capital requirements based on real-time account balances. Consider a scenario where a sudden, highly lucrative investment opportunity arises, requiring an immediate capital deployment. Because the platform is already fed with live data and pre-validated commitment schedules, the team can instantly run a what-if scenario to see the exact impact on their liquidity buffer. Decisions that once required days of manual data aggregation are now supported by a system that updates every calculation the moment the query is made. Praevu provides the visibility needed to deploy capital with absolute certainty, gain liquidity intelligence, accelerate your decision-making, and step into the future of family office management.